The Logitech Stream webcam? What's in the box and is it worth it? Well, stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a new webcam I got. It's the Logitech StreamCam. This is the camera we're using to record this video actually today. As you can see, it has really nice picture quality to it. But the big thing I want you to know about before we get into all this with the webcam is that this webcam is unique and it lets you record or stream horizontally or vertically. Most webcams can't easily do that. You either record in the one and you crop it down in an editing tool, or you do something like you tip your monitor, change your aspect ratio, and then put it on there and hope it looks okay and try recording it that way. Now this one is different. It gives you a unique mounting system that you can turn the camera without having to turn your monitor or anything else. You don't even have to tip your tripod or anything like that. You can just flip the camera from one position to the other and change your recording aspect ratio. So let's get into this. Before I do get into the whole unboxing and review about this, I want to welcome you to my channel. I'm Dave of Tech Experts and I help with all your tech needs. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for me, the like button, and the little bell to be notified whenever new content is released. Let's get into this actual unboxing and see what's inside the box. This is the box with the top. This is the side, the back, and we open it up and we see how it mounts on a tripod or a monitor, and then you can tip it. Let's take it out of the box. We have some manuals, corded piece, monitor mount. It's nice. Folds out, has a little padding so that you can adjust it and tip it to the back of your monitor. Little grooves to fit it into. Everything else in the box, let's see. We got a cam for a tripod mount with a direction indicator on the front. Mounts on the bottom. Little notches. Camera and USB cable. This is the Logitech camera. The little notches are for clicking it into the mounts. USB-C is attached. Has a nice 5-foot long cable so it can reach down to the desktop. Plastic cover over the picture. You can see it just snaps into the tripod or desktop mount. This is the monitor mount. You can turn it, snap it back in, and make it widescreen horizontal. Velcro to hold your USB cable in place. That's it. And let's plug it in. Plugs into the USB-C ports there. That's it. Monitor mount. Set on monitor, good to go. So that's what's in the box. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, make sure you check out my other videos on the Logitech StreamCam. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me. Subscribe. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. I have more how-to guides, more tech tips, and more reviews, and more things we want you to be in the know about, like why it's worth using the right gear for what you want to get it to look like. Again, if you haven't done so yet, please check out my show's description down below. I'll have links up to the camera as well as links up to extension cable, and they will all be affiliate links. They do make me a small commission. That commission continues to help me make amazing new content like this. I want to know from you, what is it that you use to stream or record your video on? Let me know in the comments section down below. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.